Greetings from sunny South Florida. Up for sale today from Great Used Auto Sales, this 2020 Equinox LT with about 40,000 miles on it. It's got a clean title, silver with black interior, really nice alloys. Tires are in great shape. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around now, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Very nice. Okay, here we go. From bumper, headlamps, beautiful shape. Take a look at that headlamp there. Outstanding condition. Lower lamp down there looks good. Very nice. From bumper grille, looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at that headlamp on top, also beautiful condition. Lower lamp, also in beautiful shape. Does have a tiny little scratch right there. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. No marks, no scratches. Super clean. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Front fender on the driver's side looks outstanding. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Taking a look at the driver door. Really outstanding condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Glass looks good. Beautiful condition. Chrome moldings are in beautiful shape. Take a look at that mirror. Really outstanding condition. Very nice. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout. Does have a small little scuff right there on the paint. Chrome moldings look good. Very nice condition. Glass is in beautiful shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side, outstanding condition. Clean throughout, nothing to show there. Glass is in beautiful condition. Very nice. Rear bumper. Rear bumper's in really nice shape. Does have a little mark right here. Couple little light little scratches here on the edge here. Just normal wear and tear for a vehicle with 40,000 miles. Rear door in the back looks good. No dings or dents or anything to show. Lights are in beautiful condition. Take a close look. Very nice shape. Rear glass also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Rear wiper back here. Down below, of course, has backup camera, as you can see there. Taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, looks good. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. No scratches, nothing to show there. Take a look at the chrome pieces on it, looks super clean. Really nice. Front door on the passenger side looks super clean throughout. Very nice. It's got a little mark right here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Passenger side mirror looks clean. No marks, no damage on it. Super clean throughout. Let's take a look at the roof real quick. Roof looks good. Don't see any dings or dents up there. Very nice. Super clean. Let's take a look at the windshield now. Windshield looks good. Don't see any cracks or chips on it. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. 2020. It's got about 40,000 miles on the clock. Very nice vehicle inside and out. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. Taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the armrest. Look at all the controls. Look beautiful. Very nice condition. It's got some storage down there. Driver's seat is super clean. Really nice. Got some stitching on it. Looks really cool. Rugs are clean. It's got a full set of floor mats. Dashboard looks brand new. Very nice condition. Super clean. Take a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the controls. Beautiful armrest there. Nice storage on the bottom. Rugs are clean. Beautiful condition on the passenger seat. Very nice. Vehicle does have a full set of floor mats. Dashboard looks brand new. Really in outstanding condition. Very nice. We're taking a look at the Driver's side door panel in the back, beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Take a look at the control, looks good. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear seats, also in beautiful condition. Very nice, clean throughout, beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Look at the controls there, armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear seat, very nice. Really outstanding shape, beautiful condition throughout. Nice feature here, it's got a couple AC vents there for the rear passengers and a couple USB plugs. Really nice feature. Sitting inside this 2020 Equinox LT. Take a look here, that's the smart key for it. Very nice. Okay, as long as you have this in the vehicle, you can go ahead and start it up. As you look there, it has a push button start. So all you got to do is press the brake, hold down this button, and it'll start right up. Starts up perfect. Okay, right now it's got 48,558 miles. Very nice. It's got a little information center. You can scan through it. Shows you the tire pressure sensors. It has a timer if you want to set it up. Miles per hour if you want to see it consistently. Fuel range. Really nice. We'll go ahead and leave it on miles per hour. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features on it. So we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Automatic lights. This is the controls for the lane assist, and then it has a collision assist in the front. So we'll go ahead and look at that in a moment. Let's keep looking at other features. This is to control the information center. That's how you go through there to be able to select different things. See that? Very cool. Go leave it there on that spot there. So we're taking a look now at the entertainment center here. So this is it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and audio. So we'll go through the screens now. Let's go through the audio. Audio shows you the radio stations there on top, and then you can go ahead and select your favorites, tune back and forth, and then of course it has your you can set up there to connect your device to use it for music. Very cool. Then it has more settings here. You can set up your Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, all that good stuff for the music. So let's go back again to home. Now we're looking at the phone. There's no phone paired right now with it, but if your phone was paired, it'll show up right there. Go back again. Wi-Fi setting. These are the settings for the Wi-Fi here. Okay. Apple CarPlay, you need to have a cord with your phone plugged into it down here to the USB, and then it'll feed everything off your phone to the system. Android Auto, the same thing. You got to connect it to the system. That way you'll be able to access your phone. Very nice. Back on home page here. Okay, down below here we have the AC controls. This is for recycle, AC on, temperature, max, and then this is the fan blower here. Got a little bit low for you can hear me speak. Automatic transmission. It's got manual shift modes here on top. Very nice. The emergency brake is here. Front and rear wipers controls for the lights. Very nice. Dashboard looks brand new, beautiful condition. Take a look at there. Very nice shape. Really an outstanding condition. Let's take a look at the armrest here. Very nice. A lot of storage down there. It's got a little bin here you can remove. In the glove box, we've got all the books for the vehicle there. Really nice. Take a look at the liner and everything. Liner looks brand new. Really in outstanding condition. Very nice shape. Steering wheel looks brand new. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Up above here you have your buttons for SOS, for OnStar. Really in beautiful shape. All right guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Cool feature this vehicle has is backup camera. As soon as you put it in reverse, boom, right then and there you get to see the And then when you turn the steering wheel, you see those little yellow lines. They turn the way the vehicle is going to roll, which is very cool. Now this one also has a lot of safety features on it. I'm going to show you what it has here. Go into settings and then collision detection system. It's got forward collision detection system, which right now we have it alert and brake. So that means if for some reason you're getting too close to a car in the front, it's going to go ahead and brake for you and let you know with an alert. You can just set the alert, or you can set up the alert and brake. We have both. And then the pedestrian detection, also the same thing. If it feels that there's somebody crossing in front of the car, it goes ahead and reads it and brakes for you. That way you don't run anybody over. So that you can go ahead and see here, this center button here, that's the one that you set up the settings. You can see that. See that? So you can make it further away, you can make it closer. So we're going to go ahead and put it further away. And then this also has the lane assist, which is really cool. This one here, that's the little mark on the bottom here. It shows that it's active. So that what it helps you is if you're going to go ahead and switch lanes, it lets you know if there's a vehicle there or something. It'll give you an alert. So those are really nice safety features. Really nice to have. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back and take a look at those tires and take a look under the hood. Take for a test drive. Go ahead and put it in gear here. Drive. Okay, looks good. Drives nice, feels smooth. Rides really smooth. Tires feel good. Alignment looks straight. Very nice. Let's do a quick brake check here. Very nice. Stops perfect. Okay. Smooth. Drives really smooth, nice takeoff. Really nice drive. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood, and take a look at that cargo area in the back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Very nice, super clean. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Take a look at the bottom here. It's got a little storage area there. I'm going to raise it up here for you. A lot of storage space there. And then it has a floor beneath. That's where the spare tire is stored, with all the tools and everything. Really nice. Fold that back again. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Those seats there in the middle, they actually fold forward. So let's just say if you want to fold them forward, just pull this here. They drop right down. There you go. Very nice. Of course, you got to manually raise them up yourself, but really nice feature regardless. And take a look at this door back here. Looks good. Clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a close look here. Very nice. Really nice condition. Super clean throughout. Beautiful shape. Get a closer look there. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there, very nice. Rims clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. We're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, look at that tire back here. Looks brand new, really outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. We're looking at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Look at that. Take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks good. Look at that tread on there. It looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Equinox LT silver with black interior in beautiful condition. It's got about 40,000 miles on it. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.